Roborock Qrevo S, the smart cleaning solution you've been waiting for. Tired of spending your precious time cleaning? As homeowners, busy professionals, and smart home enthusiasts, we all crave convenience. Let's dive into why the Roborock Qrevo S could be your ultimate cleaning companion. The Roborock Qrevo S isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a smart cleaning powerhouse designed to simplify your life. With its impressive 7,000 pascals suction, it effortlessly tackles dirt and grime on both hard floors and carpets. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with its dual spinning mop pads, rotating at 200 RPMs for a truly deep clean. Navigating your home is a breeze thanks to LiDAR technology and AI obstacle recognition. The Qrevo S intelligently maps your space, creating up to 4 distinct maps for multi-level homes. No more getting stuck or bumping into furniture. The multi-function docking station is where the magic truly happens. It automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and refills the water tank. While it uses room temperature water, the convenience is undeniable. Imagine the time you'll save. The Roborock app puts you in complete control. Customize cleaning schedules, adjust suction power, set virtual boundaries, and more. Plus, it's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa for effortless voice control. Cleaning has never been so easy. On hard floors and carpets, the Qrevo S delivers exceptional vacuuming performance, effortlessly capturing dust, debris, and pet hair. The dual spinning mop pads tackle everyday stains with ease. It's a cleaning powerhouse. Setting up the Qrevo S is a breeze, and the app's user-friendly interface makes customization simple. The self-emptying dustbin and automated mop washing significantly reduce manual maintenance. More free time for you. Priced at $749, the Qrevo S offers incredible value for money. It packs many features found in higher-end models into a more affordable package. It's a smart investment for a cleaner, more convenient home. The Roborock Qrevo S is a game-changer for homeowners, busy professionals, and smart home users alike. It delivers exceptional cleaning performance, intelligent navigation, and automated maintenance, all at a compelling price point. Ready to reclaim your time and enjoy a cleaner home? Click the link below to purchase your Roborock Qrevo S today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your life and experience the future of cleaning. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.